Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a revision check, which is the first thing that you're going to do to begin our new playlist. Right now, I'm looking at the playlist for Algebra 1 B Day. So if you are Algebra 1 A Day or Geometry, yours will look a little bit different. The process is the same. The first thing you do in the revision check is you open your Canvas grades and you look for a mastery quiz that has a score of 1 or 2. If you have a mastery quiz that is a score of 1 or 2, that means you did not show mastery on the quiz. So what I'm going to do is in Canvas on our algebra homepage, I'm going to click on the tab on the left called Grades, and this takes me into the grades for Algebra 1. Now, I don't actually have quizzes assigned to this test student, but what I would do is I would scroll down until I saw the mastery quizzes. So let's say I saw the mastery quizzes here and I would look at my score. So in this score column, you would see a 1, 2, or 3 out of 3. And if you had a quiz with a 1 or a 2, you would need to put the name of the quiz here. So let's say that I got on A12A Mastery Quiz 1, I got a 1, A12A Mastery Quiz 2, I got a 2, on A269A Mastery Quiz 3, I got a 1, and A269A Mastery Quiz 1, I got a 1. If I needed to add another row, you can either get into this last cell and hit Tab, or you can right click and click Insert Row below. Now, what this means is if I see the same standard, meaning the same algebra standard, with 2 or more mastery quizzes in your table, then I need to revise the mastery quizzes for that standard. Because if you scored, for instance, I got a 1 and a 2 on the A12A mastery quizzes, this must mean I got a 3 on the third quiz. Well, that grade of a 321, that grade in the grade book is actually a 65. And looking at my scores for standard A269, if I scored a 331, sorry, a 311, so I got a 1 here, a 1 here, and a 3 on the other quiz, that means I have a 50 for this standard. So if you see the same standard with 2 or more mastery quizzes, meaning you have the same standard appearing in your table with a score of a 1 or a 2, then you need to revise mastery quizzes for that standard. As always, to access the revision procedure, you would go to our algebra homepage and open the algebra revisions document. If you have any questions on completing the revision document, please watch the video called Revision Procedure, which is linked at the top of the document on the title.